Hola students, welcome back to another video. Today we will be looking on accepting invitations in Spanish. Now we have Marisol and Pablo, and she's going to be extending an invitation to Pablo on WhatsApp. So we're going to see how she extends the invitation and how Pablo accepts the invitation. So Marisol says, "Hola Pablo, ¿quieres ir al concierto conmigo?" Any idea what that means? If you said, "Do you want to go to the concert with me?" then you are correct. Now Pablo responds by saying, "Sí, yo quiero ir al concierto contigo." And this means, yes, I want to go to the concert with you. So to accept the invitation, we can simply say, "Sí, yo quiero ir al," or "yo quiero ir a la contigo." So if the place is masculine, al, and if it's feminine, a la. So if we look back on the message, we see where we have el concierto, so we used al because el concierto is masculine, and we use al for both the question as well as the response. Alright, so if the place is feminine, meaning that it has the article la, you use a la. Alright, however, if the place is masculine, meaning that it has the article el, then we would use al, because remember the a plus the el gives us an al. So ahora vamos a practicar. We're going to practice. Now in your books, you're going to write how you would accept invitations to the following places. Remember that if it has the article el, it is masculine, so you would use al. However, if it is feminine, you would use a la. Now, you don't have to only stick to saying, "I want to go to the place with you." You can also say, "I would love to come to the place with you." "I really would like to go to the place with you." There are several other methods, all right? And we're going to look now on some other methods of accepting invitations. So you could also say, "Yo quiero venir," "Yo puedo ir," "Yo puedo venir," "Me gustaría ir," "Me gustaría venir," "Me encantaría ir," or "Me encantaría venir." Alright, so there are several ways. Just remember, masculine, al, feminine, a, la. So you can use any method that you are comfortable with using. Alright? Now, you don't only want to say, "Yes, I want to come with you," or "Yes, I want to go with you." We can use other expressions, to let the person know that you're really accepting. So, you could also say, "Por supuesto, claro, claro que sí, sí, qué buena idea, cómo no," or "qué divertido." So you can add these with the other expressions, and we're going to look on a few examples where we combine them together. In the first example, we see where Pablo is asking Maria to go to the cinema with him, and she responds by saying, "Claro, me encantaría ir al cine contigo," meaning, of course, I would love to go to the cinema with you. So we see where she added an "of course" to her acceptance. Whereas in the second example, Miguel is inviting Ana to the beach, and she adds "Cómo no," which means sure, I can go to the beach with you. All right. Okay, so this is the scenario that is given. When it says you ask for the friend, it simply means this. For example, you call somebody and you want to make sure that it's the person, so you would say Maria, and then you go right into the conversation. So you can just put the person's name with the question sign, and then you go to the greeting. Now, this activity requires for you to just read the situations and then respond to them in Spanish. So these are the 9 situations, but we're going to do number 1 together. So it says you write a note to your friend inviting him or her to a party. What does the note say? You could say, "¿Quieres ir a la fiesta conmigo?" Yes, please remember to make notes, and for homework, I want you to find out methods of declining invitations in Spanish. Thanks for watching.